Hello guys, it is Shivam here. Welcome to our brand new video where we are going to teach you how we can simply create an login and sign up page by using Flutter. Now let's get started. So before we move forward, if you have an amazing app idea but you don't have a time or skills to develop an app, don't worry, my team will develop the app for you. So you can search for my startup name, which is an app crafting. At app crafting, we transform ideas into powerful, beautiful mobile experience. Whether you are a startup or a business ready to scale, we design, build, and launch your app fast, professional, and ready for the world. You can just fill out the contact form and get a quote. Just fill out your name, your last name, and your email and your requirements as well. And after submitting this form, my team will reach you out to develop your app for both Play Store and App Store. And we are going to create some awesome login UI page of this app. I've already developed many times a awesome login UI page, but if you haven't followed that all, I will simply tell you that follow that all and you can simply add some of the apps to your resume and you can use this login page as well in your app. One more thing I want to tell you that before we move to the code, that I have already developed 27 plus variety of apps in my channel. So if you are new to this channel, please first hit that subscribe button and be the part of this awesome Flutter family. And you can simply follow the videos. I will provide you the link in the description box or in the comment box, from where you can just follow the playlist of all the apps that we have developed on this channel. And by following that, you can simply learn more about a Flutter and Firebase and about all the things or APIs that we have used in a different projects. Right now, let's move, and here we are going to create the awesome login UI page as I've told you. So first, I move to the leaf folder and we are going to create a new folder name which will be like pages, and inside this pages folder I'm going to create a new file name which will be like a onboard. So first I'm going to create the onboarding page of this login UI design that we are creating. You can say the onboarding page or a landing page, it's up to you. So I'll just write onboard dart, and first I'm going to import the package by using material.dart, and we need to just pass a page name. So we need to write a stateful widget name which will be like an onboard. Yeah. Now here, once we do this, we just need to pass a scaffold, a body, container, child, and a column. Okay, so child, column, children. Now here you can see that I have used some of the image. Like you can see, I have just pasted some of the image in the images folder, and these are all the images that I'm going to use in my app. So you can simply get these images asset. I will try to provide you the link in the description box as well. And here you can see that I've used the font which is like a Poppins. Yeah, I've used this fonts many times before. If you have followed my old videos, then you know that. And now I'm going to just first show the image. So for that, I'm going to just move to the main.dart, and here you can see that there is a debug show chat mode banner. So I just need to show debug show chat mode banner, and we just need to pass the false, and we need to switch to the home page, the onboarding page, so that I can show you what all code basically I'm writing, right? So I just need to first save all the file. So let's first save all the file first, then I'll switch to this page. Yeah, so here what I'm going to do is that first I'm going to show the image. So I just need to write image.asset, and here I need to pass a images folder name and the image file name. Now I tell this thing regularly in my channel that when you are writing the file name, I mean the image file name, make sure it should be exact. If there will be any mismatch between a capital letter, small letter, you have removed a dot or something, it will simply throw an error. So that's why I'm going to just write a image file name that should be exact, right? So here I just need to write bg, basically a background image, and we just need to write background image.png. Now here you can see that this is the image, but I need to just pass the height. We can use a media query. Now I guess you know the use of media query. If not, let me explain you again. Media query is something that will simply help us to make the app highly responsive. Now I am telling the thing responsive is because as we are developing the app, so responsiveness is the main factor that we need to keep in mind while we are developing the app, right? So I just need to pass a width, which will be again a media query, and we need to use media query dot of context dot size dot width, and we need to just use a fit box fit dot cover so that it can take a complete height and width of the screen. As you can see that this is the image that we are going to pass. I think so it looks really cool. I guess it is. Yeah. Now here you can see that just above this image I'm going to use some text. Now what really that text will be? Basically this is a login page about a plant app. So if you are thinking to make some e-commerce app or something, you can use this design as well. Yeah. So here what I'm going to do is that, as I've told you, that we are going to write a text just above this image. Now as you know that when we need to just overlap one widget over the another, we need a stack widget, right? So I just need to remove the column widget from here because I just need a stack widget over here, something like this. Now once we do this, now here I'm going to just write a container child column and a children. Okay, now here I will also show you how we are going to use some specific state management so that we can simply make our app really better. Now you will say that, Shivam, what state management we are going to use? I'm not going to use any complex state management like provider and all, because I know that someone who is watching this video will be a beginner. I don't want to use any complex state management just to like make him work so hard that they didn't understand the code that I'm writing over here. My main idea of making this apps that the beginners who are learning the Flutter for the first time and developing the app for the first time, they can simply understand the code that I'm writing over here, right? So that's the main idea why I'm using a simple state management which will be inherited widget and class. And I will show you how this state management can make your app really, not app, basically a code, really easy. Yeah, so here I'll just move and we'll just move to the leaf folder, and we are going to create a new folder name which will be like a services, and inside the services folder I'm going to create a new file name which is like a widget support dot dart, and here I'm going to just write a class name which will be an app widget class, something like this. Now once we do this, here what I'm going to do is that first I'm going to just write a static. Now static text style. Now here I just need to pass the function name. So I'm going to just pass the function name which is like headline text style. Okay, now I will use this function later, but before that let me show you one thing. So I'll just keep it written and we'll just pass false. Okay, so not false, let's keep it blank. I'll just show you later how we are going to manage all these things. So here I will use a text widget, and in the text widget I need to pass a text. So what the text will be, which will be like the best app for your plants. Okay, and we just need to pass the styling, and you know that we need to just pass a styling by using a text style. Okay, so we need to write text style colors dot white. We can just pass a font size which is like 20.0, and we can just write a font family which will be like a Poppins. Okay, so this is what we have done. Now here you can see that this is the text, the font size is too less, so I just need to increase it by 30. Okay, now here what I'm going to do is that I need that the best text will be shown and the another line for your text will be shown. So for that I will just change the line. So for the line changing we will use a /n function, and here I just need to write a /n, not a function, we can just say property. Okay, so I'll just write the best for, okay, so we can use /n not over here, we can use a /n over here, /n the best app for your plants. Okay, so something like this. So this is what you can see. We need to just pass the margin so that you can see all the text first. Yeah, so I'll just pass the margin over here. So I'll just need to write margin edge insert dot only. From the left we can just pass 20.0. From the top I guess 50 will be enough, so we'll just pass 50.0, something like this. Okay, I just need to increase the font size because this is too less. Okay, so I just need to pass like 40, or we can just pass 60. 60 is okay, I guess. The best app for your plants. Okay, 60 is okay, I guess. If you are thinking it's too much, let's decrease it down to 50. Yeah, it's okay. Now here I just need to pass like 60 so that the spacing we can just pass like 90. Let's test this. Okay, so the best app for your plants, something like this. Now once we do this, here what I'm going to do first, then just below this I'm going to create some button. Now the button will be like the container, and here I just need to pass a width. Again I'll use a media query. So media query dot of context dot size dot width. I haven't pasted the text style, so what's the use of that function? So let me first paste that text style. So I'll just copy this text style, and now I will show the use of that respective state management, right? So I just move to the widget support, and we are going to paste this function something over here. Let me call this something like this, and we just need to pass a semicolon. Okay, so this is how we have just passed the styling, and we have just passed the styling function name, which is like a headline text style. Now I just need to manage the size, because as you know that the text that we are going to pass, all the text will not have the same size. We are going to manage that thing. So for that I'm going to just pass a double, and in the double I just need to pass a size, and we are going to just manage the size something like this. Now I'll show you the state management and how we are going to manage the code. So here you can see that in the styling I just need to call our app widget class. So I'll write app widget class dot, and I just need to pass a function name. So here you can see that it simply shows the function name, which is like a headline text style. So I just need to call this function, and it simply says me that please pass the size. So here you can see that by passing this, or by a single, or not a single line, you can see that by just two words we can pass a styling to that respective text widget. So that's a main use of this state management. Okay, now here I just need to pass a cross axis alignment dot start. It's not going to align like this. So what I'm going to do is that here I just need to pass the width, which will be like media query dot of context dot size dot width. Okay, something like this. I guess still it haven't worked. Okay, it's saying that please save all the file first. Okay, so let's save all the file. Oh yeah, so it's worked. Yeah, now we have just aligned this text to the left side, that all I'm trying. Yeah, now here I just need to pass a decoration, a box decoration color, and here I just need to pass the color, which is like colors dot white, something like this. Now here I just need to pass a child. We need to use a text widget again. Basically I'm creating a one button, which is like a signing button, so that the user can click to that button and can move to the signing page. So here I just need to pass the text, which is like a sign in. We just need to pass the styling text style color, which is like colors dot white. We just need to pass a font size, which is like 20.0, and we'll just keep the font weight dot bold. Okay, font weight dot w500, something like this. Yeah, now once we do this, here I just need to pass the margin edge insert dot only. From the right we can just pass like 30.0, which will be enough. Okay, now here I just need to use or manage something, which is like we need to manage the color because we can't see the text. Yeah, so I just need to decrease down the color. Okay, let me see what really match over here. I guess that will be enough. Okay, so this is enough. I guess we can again use our Poppins over here. So I just need to pass a font family, which will be like Poppins. Okay, we need to write Poppins. Okay, so this is what you can see. We just need to center this with the help of center widget. We just need to center this. I need to maintain the height of this container, so we'll just pass 40 will be too less. Let's pass 50. Okay, now here I need to pass the border radius as well. So I just need to write a border radius dot circular, and we'll just pass like 30. Okay, 30 will be too much. Let's pass 20. Okay, 20 is enough, I guess, or we can pass 10 as well. Okay, 10 is enough. So this is what we have done, and just below this I'm going to create one or show one more text, which is like create an account, that will simply help the user to move to the sign up page. Okay, so that's all the things that we are going to handle. So inside or outside this column widget, I'm going to just paste this, and there is some bracket issue, so I just need to add some extra bracket. Now here I just need to pass the text, which is like create an account. Okay, something like this. Now I just need to center this text, so again I will use center widget. We'll use a size box so that there will be a space. We'll use size box height 10.0. I guess that will be enough. Okay, so this is what we have done. Now what I'm going to do is that I just need this button and the text something over here. Now if I use a size box and I'm thinking that to pass a fixed height and maintain the gap between this text and this button, that will not going to work, because as I told you that responsiveness is the main thing when you are developing an app. Okay, so what I'm going to do is that I'll just use a spacer. Now what is spacer? You will say that Shivam, what is a spacer? So spacer is a widget that will simply help us to make a responsive app. So basically this widget will help us to provide a maximum space between our two widgets, something like this. Okay, now I just need to provide the margin from the bottom as well. So I'm going to use a size box from the bottom, so that will simply help us to manage the space. So I'll use the size box height and we'll just pass like 90.0. That will be enough, I guess. Okay, so 90 is not enough, we'll just pass like 150. We can just manage like 150, or we can just pass 180. Okay, so this is what we have done. Now I think so we can increase some height over here. We just pass 20. Okay, so this is what we have done, and we have just created the landing page for this app. Now I'll just move and we are going to create the login page. So for that I'm going to move to the pages folder and we are going to create a new file name which is like a login.dart. And first I'm going to import the package by using material.dart, and we need to just pass a page name which is like a login, something like this. Now once we do this, here I just need to pass a scaffold. So I just need to write a scaffold, a body. So I just need to write a body, container child, and here I need a stack widget, because again I'm going to use the image, and just above this image asset I'm going to use some another widget. So that's why I'm going to overlap one widget over the another. So that's the main use why I'm using the stack widget. So I'm going to just write a column widget, and then I will rename that to a stack widget, so that there will be not any extra effort. Yeah, so I just need to write a stack widget, something like this. Okay, I hope it's clear. Now here I just need to pass image.asset. We just need to call the images folder name and the image file name that we are going to use, which is like a curved bg, basically background. So I just need to write curved bg.png. okay, I think so you can't see that login page, so let me switch to the login page so that I can show you basically what all code I'm writing. Okay, so this is the height, or not height, basically this is the image that we are going to pass. The height of this image is too much, I don't need this much. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just manage this thing. So I just need to pass the height, and in the height I'll just use a media query dot of context. We'll just pass the size dot height, we can use like divide by 2. Okay, and here I just need to pass the width as well. So I just need to write a width which will be like media query dot of context dot size dot width. Okay, now I just need to use a box fit dot cover, so that it can simply like cover the part that we are passing. Yeah, so this is what you can see. I can just pass 3 over here. 3 will be too less, I guess 2.5 will be enough. Okay, so that is enough. We just need to pass the background color, which is like colors dot white. Now here I'm going to show some back arrow. So for that I'm going to just move over here, and we just need to create one container, and in the container I just need to pass a child, a column, and a children. Now here I'm going to just write a container. In the container I just need to pass a child icon, which will be like icons dot back arrow. So I just need to write back arrow, or we need to write arrow back. Yeah, so this is the icon that we are going to use. Now I just need to change the color of an icon, so I just need to manage the color to colors dot green. Okay, now we need to also change the color of the container so that you can see the back arrow. Box decoration color, you can just manage the color, which is like colors dot white. Okay, so here I just need to pass the margin so that I can see the thing first. So top 50.0, that will be enough. From the left we'll just pass like 20.0. I need a dark color of a green shade. Let me see what really match over here. I guess this is perfect. You can use padding edge insert dot all from the 8. Okay, we just need to pass the border radius. So I need to just pass the border radius dot circular, and I need this in complete circle. So that's why I'm going to use a border radius dot circular, and we'll just pass 60. Okay, something like this. We can just manage it up to 10. So this is what we have done. Now here I'm going to just wrap up the container with a gesture detector, and in the on tap method I'll just pop out from this page. So I just need to write navigator dot pop context, something like this. Now once we do this, now here I'm going to just pass a row. We just need to pass a row text widget. In the text widget I'll just pass like the text which is like welcome back. Okay, we just need to pass the styling, which is like styling text style. I'm using a text style, but you can create a function as well, as I've shown you for the headline function. Yeah, so you are going to like you can create the another function for manage this text style for this respective text widget as well. Yeah, I'm going to just write the thing directly. Yeah, so I just need to copy this color first, so I'll just copy this color, we'll paste it something over here, and okay, we just need to use first cross so that all the thing will be aligned. So I just need to write cross axis alignment dot start. So yeah, something like this. Now here I just need to first pass the font size. Let's pass the font size 30.0. We'll keep the font family, which will be like a Poppins. So I just need to write Poppins, Poppins, Poppins. Yeah, now I just need to give some spacing. So the spacing I'll use a size box, height 50 or 100.0, which will be enough. Okay, 100 will be too much. It's better that to use media query rather than again using a fixed height or something. So I just need a media query dot size dot height divide by 2. Let's see. Okay, it's too much. Let's pass 3. 3 is okay, I guess. We can pass 3.5 as well. It's too less. Let's pass 3.2. Okay, so it's enough. Now welcome back text we have shown. Just below this I'm going to show the another text. So for that I'm going to use a column widget. Okay, now I need to just copy this text widget from here. We'll just paste it something over here, and we need to just change the text to like login to your account. So I just need to write log in to your account. Okay, I just need to pass the black color, but the black color will be like a different shade of black color. So I just need to write colors dot black, and here I just need to pass a different shade of black color. Okay, so font size is too much. We'll just decrease it down to 20, or we can use like not font family. Let's pass like font weight W500. Let's see how it will look. Yeah, so this is what we have done. We can just pass 18. Okay, so this is what we have done. Now once we do this, I'm going to just write image dot asset. Okay, so we need to just write outside this column widget. So I just need to write images, then the image file name, which is like a leaf.png. So let me show you what image that I'm going to use and whether it will work or not. Okay, so height is too much, so I'll just need to decrease it down to 80. We can just pass like width up to 80. Okay, so this is what you can see. Let's increase it up to 100 and 100. It's too less, I guess. Let's pass 200. We'll just change to 200. It's enough. Once 80, 180. I'm just seeing that what really will fit over here. So that's why I'm managing all the things like this. We just pass main axis alignment dot end. Okay, something like this. So this is what we have done. We'll just pass like 3.5, 4. Okay, so this is enough, I guess. So welcome back. Log in to your account. Then here I'm going to create a 2 text field. So for the text field, again I need to just write a container child text field. Then I need to just pass a decoration. Okay, over here we just need to write decoration, box decoration, color, and we need to just manage the color. So I'm going to copy this color first, and then we are going to manage the shade of this color. So I need to just copy this color. We'll paste it something over here. Okay, something like this. Yeah, so this is what we have done. We just need to pass the margin as insert dot only. From the left we can just pass 30, from the right we can pass like 30. Okay, something like this. I guess that's enough. I'm going to just manage the shade of this thing. Okay, so here you can see that there is a line, and you know that how to remove this line. Decoration, input decoration, border, input border dot none, and it will just remove this line from here, something like this. Okay, so here we have shown this thing. I think so the shade is okay. If you are thinking that let's pass some darker side, you can do that. It's okay, I guess. Yeah, so once we do this, now here what I'm going to do, first I'm going to show the icon, right? So for the icon I'll just write suffix icon. Okay, I don't know it's suffix or prefix. Each time I get confused on this. So I just need to write suffix icon. We'll need to write icon, which is like icons dot person. Okay, or we can just write email as well. Email. Okay, it's wrong again. Okay, so I just need to write a prefix icon, and we need to just copy this color code. We just need to copy this color code. We can just paste it something over here, which is like color. We can paste this color. Okay, so it's look cool, I guess. It's not till now. Yeah, so here you think so it's look cool. Now here I just need to pass like hint text as well. So again we need to just pass the hint text. In the hint text I just need to write enter email. Okay, not hint, we just need to pass like hint text. Okay, this is like enter email. Okay, we just need to manage the styling, so I need to pass hint style text. Sorry, back again. Text style color, we need to just copy that color code back again. So basically that's a different color code, so we just need to do a copy paste work too much. Yeah, so I just need to paste this, and here I just need to pass like a font family. In the font family I just need to first pass like Poppins. Okay, I guess it's enough. It's look good, I guess. If not, then I think so sorry for that, but I'm trying my best. Yeah, so I just need to minus the height. Let's pass like up to 60. Okay, so enter email. Okay, we can just manage the font size 18.0. okay, so that's enough, I guess, just to show this. And here I need to use a border radius, so I need to write border radius dot circular will just pass like 30. Okay, not 30 will be too much, let's pass 10. Okay, so this is what we have done, which is like enter email. Then once we do this, we are going to create the another thing, which is like a so I need to just copy this container back again. We just need to use the size box, height 20.0, I guess that will be enough. And then we need to paste this. We just need to pass like 30, I think 30 will be enough. We can just pass like icons dot password. Okay, we can just pass icons dot password, and enter email is okay, but we can just write enter password. Okay, so this is what we can do. Now once we do this, I'm going to just show the another text. So for that I'll just pass a row children, and again I need to copy the text widget. So I'm going to copy this text widget, I guess that will be enough. And I just manage this, we'll paste it something over here. You just write forgot password. Okay, that height is too much, so I'll just decrease it down up to 18. And I just need in the left side, so you know that how to manage that, we just need to pass main axis alignment dot end, something like this. Yeah, I guess it's okay. Now here I just need to pass padding so that it won't get stuck to the right side. I just need to pass dot only. From the right we can just pass like 30.0. okay, so this is what we have done. We can use a size box, height 10.0, I guess that will be enough. Okay, so this is what we can do. Now once we have done this thing, now the next thing that we are going to show is the login button. So I just need to write container with media query dot of context dot size dot width, and we just need to write a decoration, a box decoration. And here I need to just copy the color code again, so a lots of time we need to do this work. So I just need to paste it over here, and then I need to just pass like border radius dot circular, we can just pass like 30. okay, so this is what we have done. We can just use a child, and then I need to use a text widget. So I need to copy this text widget something from here, we'll just paste it something over here. Okay, we just need to pass the text, which will be like a login. So I just need to write login. Colors, we can just manage the color, which will like colors dot white. We can use a constant from here, colors dot white, which is enough. Okay, so this is what we have done. I think so we have just passed a different shade. We just need to copy this color and we need to paste this color, not a different shade color. Okay, so this is enough, I guess. Yeah, we just need to center this text first, so I'll use center widget. Then we need to use margin edge insert dot only. From the right we can just pass 20.0, from the left we can just pass like 20.0. okay, 20 will be, I guess, is enough. If you are thinking that we can decrease it down to 30, you can use the size box height like 90.0. I guess that will be enough, or let's pass 120. okay, we just need to manage the height. Let's pass like up to 80, will be too much. Let's pass 50. okay, so this is what we can do. We can increase the font size to 20. okay, now here, once we have done this thing, now what I'm going to do is that I'll just need to pass a row, not over here, outside this container. We need to write row children. We need to use a text widget. So for the text widget, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to copy this text widget back. As I've told you that I'm doing a copy paste work too much for the text widget and all, but I've shown you how to manage that state management, like how we can use that, not manage a state management, how we can use a state management and can just write a code. So you can do both the work. It's up to your choice, like how you can code and all. Yeah, now once we do this thing here, I just copy the text and then I need to just pass like don't have an account. Okay, so we are going to just allow the user to check that if they don't have an account, we can just switch the user, or they can tap to the sign up text and can move to the sign up page. So I just need to pass the text, which is like text, and here I'm going to just copy this text. Wait a second. okay, so we need to copy this text. We'll just paste it something over here, and we just need to pass like sign up. okay, so this is what we have done. You can't see this because we need to just pass a black rather than white, and we just need to manage the shade here as well. So this is the shade we need to manage. We need to decrease down the font size to 16. okay, I guess that's enough. We just need to center this, so I just need to write main axis alignment dot center. We can use the size box height 20.0. I guess that will be enough. okay, so this is what we have done. We have just created a complete login page, and I think so it's look really great. If you haven't hit that like and subscribe button, then it's very unfortunate to say that. Please hit that like and subscribe button and show your support, because I'm trying my best to make this app as engaging, as responsive, as attractive as I can. But till now, if you haven't hit that like and subscribe button, then what you are waiting for, I don't know. Please hit that like and subscribe button and show your support. Right now I'll just move, and we'll move to the sign up page. So I'm going to just create a new file, which is like a signup.out. now here I have noticed that many of you are loving our videos but haven't hit that subscribe button. It's totally free, that you don't need to pay anything, just like my videos. Like to watch my videos, you don't need to pay anything. For the same, you to tap to that subscribe button, you don't need to pay anything. Both of them are totally free. So please hit that subscribe button and show your support. Right, I just need to first import the package by using material.dart, and we just need to pass a stateful widget name, which will be the page name. And in this page name, I just need to pass a sign up, something like this. I need to just pass a scaffold, a body. I just need to write a body, container, child, and a column, something like this. Sorry, child and a column. Okay, so this is what we can do. Now here I'm going to again show the back arrow, so that we can just switch to the back to that page. So I'll just move over here, and the thing that we have created, so I just need to copy this, and we just need to paste it something over here. Yeah, so this is what we can do. And I guess let's switch to the sign up page, so that I can show you what all code basically I'm writing. So I just move to the sign up page, something like this. Yeah, so this is, you can see over here, but the thing is that I just need to first change the color to background colors dot white. Okay, then the thing, I need to again copy the color code. I don't know how much time I need to do that. So I need to just copy the color code, and we just need to paste this something over here so that the background color can also be seen. Okay, so I just need to paste it something over here. We just need to remove this color function, then I need to match this color directly from here. Okay, so this is what we can do. Now once we have done this thing, again we need to move to the login page, and this is the row that we have created. I'm going to copy this row and we are going to just paste it something over here. So we just need to use the cross so that all the things will be aligned to the left side. So I just need to pass cross axis alignment dot start, not over here, sorry, we just pass in a wrong column. So I just need to write cross axis alignment dot start, something over here. Okay, so this is what we have done. We just need to change the text to register, so I'll write register. Okay, we just need to pass like create your new account, create your new account. Okay, so something like this, we can just pass the text which is like create your new account. I think so we can increase this font size up to 35 or 40 will be also be okay. So register, create your new account. Now again I need to copy the text fields and all, because that will be remain almost same. So I just need to copy this text field first. So I need to copy this. We'll just move over here, we'll just paste it outside this row widget. So here I just need to first show the person icon, which is like person icon, so that they can enter the name. So I just need to show the person icon, and we can just say the user to enter the name. So I just need to pass like enter the name, something like this. Now once we do this, here just over here we'll just paste this. So this is for the password, but the thing we need is for the email. So write email or mail, we can just write mail also. Yeah, mail, we can just write enter email. Okay, that's done. We'll just paste it something over here. So these are the three text fields that we basically need. Again we'll move to the login page, because most of the things we need to just copy and paste. So I need to just copy this container widget, we'll just paste it something over here. Okay, I just need to rename the text to sign up. You can just say sign up. Okay, sign up. Okay, so this is what we can just say, sign up. The height is too much, so we'll decrease it down up to 60. Okay, so this is what we have done. So here I need to just pass the text which is like already have an account, then they can switch to the login page. Okay, again same thing, we need to do a copy paste work. So I just need to move to the login page, we'll copy this and we'll just move over here, we'll just paste it something over here. So already have an account, it's like already have an account, they can switch to the login page. I guess that's done. We just need to wrap up with a gesture detector so that we can switch to the login page. So I just need to pass like on tap, and we just need to write navigator dot push, and we are going to push the user. So I just need to write material page root context. We can just pass context, we can just pass this here as well, and we can just push the user to the sign up page. Okay, so this is what we have done. Now once we do this, we can just paste in the onboarding page as well. So I'll just click or wrap up with gesture detector in the on tap method. In the on tap method, I just need to pass like this will paste. I just pass like log in. Okay, so we switch to the login page. So I just need to copy this back again and copy this back again. We just need to move over here, sign up page. So let's move to the login page. We need to wrap up with a gesture detector, and in the on tap method I'll just paste it something over here. We'll just write sign. Okay, so this is done. Now let's switch to the onboarding page so that I can show you basically how our login page will look alike. Yeah, so this is the onboarding page, you can see over here. Now I'm going to click to this signing button, and we have just moved to the login page, and I think so it's look really great with this design, right? Now once we have done this, we can switch to the sign up page, and this is we have switched to the sign up page. We can move back, and this is what we have done. And I think so it's look really great with this design. Yeah, so I've taught you how we can simply create some awesome design by using a simple widgets in Flutter, right? If you haven't hit that like and subscribe button, then what you are waiting for? Hit that like and subscribe button and show your support. As I've told you that I've already developed 27 plus variety of apps in my channel, so you can follow them all and can add some more apps to your resume and just get to know how we can use some Flutter and Firebase and can create some awesome apps. Until then, keep coding, keep having fun. I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.